Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we will learn how to fix WhatsApp photos not showing in gallery. Without further ado, let's get started. Open WhatsApp. Tap the three dots, Settings, then Chats. Make sure media visibility is turned on. Check individual chat settings. Go to a chat that isn't showing images. Tap the contact or group name. Media visibility set to yes. This ensures media from the specific chat shows up in gallery. Use a file manager. Open File Manager. Internal storage, WhatsApp. Media, WhatsApp images. Check if images are saved there. If there's a file named .no media, delete it. This hidden file blocks media from appearing in your gallery. Restart your phone. Once you have made the changes, restart your Android phone. This refreshes the media library and ensures that newly visible WhatsApp images appear correctly in your gallery without those pesky delays. And we are done. Thanks for watching. Before leaving this video, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos and contents. Peace out.